In case you're new here, I go on painting adventures. In this series, I hope to share a more hidden side of Japan while seeking out peaceful spots to paint en plein air. In this video, we will visit Kakurinbo, a traditional temple stay in the Japanese Alps. Nestled in the small mountain village of Minobu in Yamanashi prefecture, Kakurinbo is a 550-year-old traditional Buddhist temple guest house where Buddhist monks from all over Japan would stay during their pilgrimage at Kuonji Temple. My visit was absolutely wonderful. Everyone was so welcoming and friendly, and the food was amazing. Some of the best meals I've ever had. The room was perfect. It felt like it was tucked in a forest. Walking through the dining hall, I realized I had found my painting spot. Kakurinbo is built around an absolutely stunning garden and koi pond. One of the main reasons I wanted to do a temple stay was to try Shojin Ryori, a traditional plant-based Buddhist cuisine. The tomato and soy milk hot pot was delicious. It's a Kakurinbo specialty. Kakurinbo's dining room and many of its guest rooms look out onto the garden. The inner central garden was designed by Musu Kokushi in the 14th century. He also designed renowned UNESCO World Heritage Gardens in Kyoto, like Saihoji, the Moss Temple, and is widely revered as the father of the Japanese garden. I really wanted to visit as many traditional Japanese gardens as possible on this trip. So it was wonderful to be able to see such a beautiful garden while enjoying such delicious meals. Kakurinbo is famous for its yuba gozen, which is a full-course vegetarian meal built around local ingredients, including fresh layers of tofu skin or yuba and rare akebono soybeans. These soybeans are only grown in Minobu and depend on its special mountain climate so that they end up being bigger and sweeter than regular soybeans. As a satellite temple of Kuonji, the headquarters of Nichiren Buddhism, Kakurinbo has one of Japan's most immersive, foreigner-friendly, and culturally rich shukubo experiences. Guests are encouraged to wake up early and take the 15-minute walk up the mountain to Kuonji Temple to witness morning prayer services, which include chanting and drum rituals performed by the resident monks. It's announced by the ringing of the great bell at 5 a.m. During the temple service, I decided to take a walk on the quiet path heading up Mount Minobu. Right next to the temple lodge is a sacred shrine dedicated to Nicho Daishonin, a 15th century monk who suffered from severe eye issues. Today he is revered as a guardian of eyesight. Since I had a vision scare on the mountain stairs, I felt very fortunate to be standing here. The lodge had provided a small paper slip to offer the temple. I left it at the shrine after writing on it as instructed, hoping for protection over my own eyes and the eyes of my family back home. Breakfast was a delicious variety of small dishes served in a type of basket that was first designed over 1,000 years ago for pet crickets, so that people could listen to them in the summer. Even though I'm not usually a fan of natto, the heirloom akebono soybean natto was delicious. It had a nutty, smooth taste, and it's homemade every morning. It was one of my favorite dishes. All done. I'm so grateful I got to experience this wonderful stay at Kakurinbo. Thank you for joining me. See you next time.